go be present and just start putting stuff out there. I mean, I'm
Yeah.
starting from nothing basically right now, and just going on and offering music and offering sessions and offering conversations. One of the really big things that I am starting to do last week, I was interviewed by another health coach, and we did it on Facebook Live through Be Live is the
Yeah. 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 That's a
technology.
good one. Mm-hmm.
It worked really, really well. We just had a great conversation, super like not incredibly professional or anything like that, but just a genuine conversation about what we do, about what we can offer. And you guys are all doing the transformation stuff, and you have techniques, you have little bits of wisdom and information that can help people during this time.
Mm-hmm.
So, just go be authentic, be yourself, get out there, put some content out, and people see it and people start following you, and you can reach a lot of people right now because everybody's
Yeah.
basically starved for connection, and we can start using technology to create that, and then later we can meet them in person.